Let's make arrays with objects around the house.
Good morning, everybody. Today, my idea for you is to try to practice some multiplication and division facts using either objects that you collect outside or simple objects, food items that are individual pieces that you have around your house. I'm going to practice making the multiplication fact 6 rows of 3 using wheat thins. So if I was to create that array, I would need to make rows. Remember, rows go horizontally. So if I said 6 rows of 3, I'm going to lay out 6 rows with 3 wheat thins in each row. 6 rows of 3. Again, it's the way to be able to group things so that you can say to yourself, if I have 6 groups of 3, how many does that make in all? Well, if I do it right and I count them, I will get 18. Now you can practice your division facts that go along with that. It is a fact family that uses the same 3 parts. So I have a picture of 6 rows of 3 on my table. I'm going to show it to you right now by tipping it down. There are my 6 rows of 3. Now, you can say to people, well, it's also the same as 3 times 6. But if you organize it, it doesn't look the same. That would be 3 rows with 6 in each row. It's basically the same picture, but it's been rotated sideways. Now, if you wanted to think about that and do division facts so that you could say how many pieces I have in all, ask, have the grown-up arrange it. They ask you what it is. And then you could say, well, if I have 18 objects and there's 3 rows, how many pieces are going to be in each row to have equal groups? So that's basically all multiplication is. It's repeated addition or just thinking of how things are organized into equal groups. I would encourage you to maybe create some art with them. Glue them on paper. Write the fact that goes along with them so that maybe you could make yourself a little collection of multiplication facts that use food or objects outside. Maybe the caps to acorns. Maybe you could find 6 or 10 or 20 different rocks and organize it that way. But again, you can play around simply with household objects that use the skill of organization, making equal groups, and practice multiplication and division facts. So get outside or look around your house. Coins work great, things like that. And just explore with multiplication and division facts. Have fun, everybody, and I'll show a picture of some samples for you at the end of the video.
Here are some array samples that you could make. Practice those multiplication and division facts today.